children. Once again, I am Kavita Krishnani. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let's start with prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes, and now start prayer. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Open your eyes, rub your hands slowly, 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 fast. Put on your eyes like this. Relax. Now children, today I want to teach पेपर फ्रॉम कैरेट. हम पेपर में से कैरेट कैसे बनाएंगे? ओके, वी नीडेड थिंग्स: ऑरेंज पेपर, ग्लू स्टिक, सीजर एंड ग्रीन कलर पेपर. ओके, now I fold You want to do with me? आप मेरे साथ बना रहे हो? I have to steal. Which shape is this? This shape is cone. Okay. Another. What is the color of orange? What is the color of carrot? Carrot color is orange. Now I have to make leaves. आपको आपके पेरेंट्स के साथ ही आपको ये सीजर यूज़ करनी है. I have to make roll. I have to stay in carrot leaves. Now children, now tell me which animal is favorite vegetables of carrot? Rabbit. Okay. Which animals is favorite vegetables is carrot? Rabbit. Okay. Did you like this activity? Now children, today I have to explain about vegetable. Now tell me which vegetable is this? This is a bitter gourd. Which vegetable that taste bitter? कौन से वेजिटेबल का टेस्ट बिटर होता है? बिटर gourd. Before bitter gourd. Now next. Now children, which vegetable is this? This is a cauliflower. Which vegetable look like a flower? कौन से वेजिटेबल का लुक फ्लावर जैसा होता है? cauliflower. C4 cauliflower. Then next. Which vegetable is this? Which vegetable is green and leafy? Now tell me children, which vegetable is green and leafy? Spinach. S4 spinach. Spinach is also leafy vegetable. What is the color of spinach? Green color. Now next. Cabbage. Which vegetable used for making salad? Cabbage. C4 cabbage. Now next. Which vegetable is this? Carrot. What is the color of carrot? Orange. Which is the first letter of carrot? C4 carrot. Now next. Which vegetable is this? And which vegetable used for making red sauce? Tomato. What is the color of tomato? red color. Which is the first letter of tomato? T for tomato. T for tomato. T for tomato. Then next. Children, which vegetable is this? Lady's finger. Which vegetable is this? Lady's finger. Which is the first letter of lady's finger? L for lady's finger. L for lady's finger. Now next. Which vegetable is this? Cucumber. Which vegetable is this? Cucumber. Cucumber is also making for salad. C for cucumber. C for cucumber. C for cucumber. Children, which vegetable is this? Radish. What is the color of radish? White. Which is the first letter of radish? R for radish. R for radish. R for radish. Next. Which vegetable is this? Coriander. Coriander is also leafy vegetable. C for coriander. C for coriander. C for coriander. Now next. Which vegetable is this, children? Potato. Which vegetable is this? Potato. Which vegetable used for making French fries? Potato. P for potato. P for potato. P for potato. Now children, what is this? This is a chili. Chili's taste is very spicy. C for chili. C for chili. C for chili. Now next. Which vegetable is this? Onion. Which vegetable is this? Onion. O for onion. O for onion. O for onion. Children, today's classwork in worksheet page number 6565. Right. Children, what are we doing today? Today are doing see the picture and circle the correct letter. First you have to write CW and mention date. See the picture and circle the correct letter. Which vegetable is this? Potato. Which is the first letter of potato? P. Where is P? This one? No. This one? No. This one? Yes. Then circle it. Now next. Which vegetable is this? Peas. Which is the first letter of peas? P. This one? This one? No. This one? Yes. Then circle it. Now next. Which vegetable is this? Carrot. Which is the first letter of carrot? This one? No. This one? No. This one? Yes. C for carrot. Now next. Now tell me children, which vegetable is this? This is a onion. Which is the first letter of onion? Think fast. This one? No. This one? No. This one? Yes. Correct. Then circle it. Now next. Which vegetable is this? Spinach. Which is the first letter of spinach? Think fast children. Now tell me which is the first letter of spinach? This one? No. This one? No. This one? S for spinach? Yes. Is the correct answer. Then Circle it. Which vegetable is this? Cucumber. Which is the first letter of cucumber? C for cucumber. C for cucumber. Now next, which vegetable is this? Think fast. Which vegetable is this? Yes, radish. Which is the first letter of radish? S for radish? No. P for radish? No. R for radish? Yes, correct. Now next, capsicum. Which is the first letter of capsicum? P for capsicum? No. L for capsicum? No. C for capsicum? Yes. Very good, children. Today's homework is page number 67 in worksheet. First you have to write HW and then mention date. See the picture and match its letter. Which vegetable is this? Potato. Which is the first letter of potato? P. P for potato. P for potato. Then next, onion. Which is the first letter of onion? O for onion. O for onion. Then next, radish. Which is the first letter of radish? R. R for radish. R for radish. Then next, cucumber. Which is the first letter of cucumber? C. C for cucumber. C for cucumber. Then next, capsicum. Which is the first letter of capsicum? C. C for capsicum. C for capsicum. Then next, which vegetable is this? Peas. Which is the first letter of peas? P. P for peas. P for peas. Next, carrot. Which is the first letter of carrot? C. C for carrot. C for carrot. Then next, lady's finger. Which is the first letter of lady's finger? L. L for lady's finger. L for lady's finger. Then next, spinach. Which is the first letter of spinach? S. S for spinach. S for spinach. Then last, cabbage. Which is the first letter of cabbage? C. C for cabbage. C for cabbage. Now children, our homework is done. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe and wash your hand. Bye bye children.